Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace a cabin air filter in a 2012 Equinox. It's going to be the same method for the 2010 to the 2017 models. Not every car is going to have this air filter, however if they do, the majority of them are underneath the glove box in the passenger compartment. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's a very simple steps. There's only two quick steps. It takes under 2 minutes to replace it, so it's very simple to do. Now, the purpose of changing this is to maintain your vehicle's HVAC system. Okay, so when you're running your AC a lot in the summertime and your heat a lot in the wintertime, this is going to regulate how much it filters all the air that's coming in your system. So any kind of pollens, dirt, debris, dust, exhaust gases, things like that that's going to enter your cabin. So it's going to also allow to keep a cleaner interior or cabin of your vehicle, and also going to maintain your system as far as the HVAC is concerned. So here's how we do it. So first I'm using the MicroGuard, this 3727 filter. I got this from O'Reilly's, the MicroGuard. It's about 10 bucks. I know it's not the best filter out there, but I don't really care because my car sits a lot, so I'm not really too concerned about it. But I'll show you how to do it. So first things first, open the glove box, and there's two clips on each side. I'll show you in a second. You just pop it off, lift it up, and pull down. See these clips right here, right here. That just clips onto a bar. And then there's one on each side. Okay, so we'll get that out of the way. I'll take this off the stand here. So all the way up in here, you're gonna see right here. Where's it at? Okay, so right here there's a clip. Right here there's a clip. Right here and here. I'm gonna lift those clips up. Pop it up like so, and as you can tell, that white thing right there going across, that's the cabin air filter. Easy to pull out, and as you can tell, that's pretty nasty. Okay, it's pretty dirty. I bought this car 3 years ago, so I don't think I've ever replaced it yet. But I've only put on about 18,000 miles, so I haven't really put too many miles on this car. But I think this was replaced when I bought it. However, I never replaced it. So, here's the new filter here. Okay, of course, it's a lot cleaner than that. Want to make sure it's the same specs. Of course, the other one I got was probably an AC Delco. I don't know if it's 17113. That's probably an AC Delco part. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. They're all pretty much the same thing, as long as they're the same size. You set this down here, put you back on the stand. Okay. Take this out, and be careful not to rip it. And then 3727, airflow is going that way. Okay, so what I want to do, get back up in there. A little hard to reach from the angle I'm at. Okay. Alright, so I got it in there. It's a little hard to reach. As you can tell, it's back in there. Snap it up. Two little snaps right here and here. That's good, and then we'll just put the glove box on, and we're good to go. And that's it. Thanks, guys.